Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the wall outlet. I installed a wall outlet and I wanted to share a tip with you. When you install the wall outlet, you need the stripper to strip the wire. So the electrical wire, when you're going to use it, you're going to strip it. But I will show you, if you don't have the stripper, how you can strip the wire. You don't need to use a blade. You don't need to use a knife. This is the wire. This is the wall outlet socket. So if you look at these corners, if you pay attention on these, this is the 14 gauge, this is the 12 gauge, and this is the smaller gauges. So what do you need to do? You put this wire where you want to strip it. You put it inside, you press it like this. You press it, then once you press it, then you rotate it like a couple times, just like this, and then you just pull it and it strips the wire for you. So you see it, how it's easy to strip the wire without damaging the wire itself. You really don't need the wire stripper. The wire stripper is included with the socket. So now you know. So I thought I should share with you these tips and tricks going to make your life much easier. And if you found this video to be helpful, like always, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.